Do you have users who have subscribed to your website and not using it for a long time? Do you want to make them aware for a new update? For all these concerns, you can add push notification to your WordPress WooCommerce website. Now you must be thinking, what is push notification? Come, let's know more about it. Hi, myself Nishtha, and in today's video we're going to discuss what is push notification and how we can add push notification to our WordPress WooCommerce marketplace website. Basically, push notification is an easy way to reach out to your customers, no matter they are using your website or not. For example, you have launched a new product or there is a new update on your website. So there must be a concern that how you will let your users aware about it. I don't think that you will going to make them aware one by one. So for this situation, you can add push notification and make them aware whenever there is a new update on your website. The users can get the notification on their device and on their desktop as well. And the best part is that you don't have to ask any kind of personal details like email, contact number as well. It is a new kind of marketing channel for re-engaging the users without even asking the personal details from them. Now, before knowing more about this WordPress WooCommerce Marketplace push notification, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do press the subscription button and hit the bell icon for getting the latest updates from us. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now here we are on the admin backend panel, and with the help of username and password we're going to log in. Once you installed, you can see the settings in the configuration option. For that, on the left hand side option, click on marketplace push notification. There you can see the setting option. Click on the setting option. Here you can see the Firebase script, the server key and the sender ID. You have to enter all these details, and once you enter all these details, you have to click on the save changes. This is the configuration from which you can check the Firebase script, server key and the sender ID. Now the next option is marketplace push notification. In this part, we're going to see how the admin can add a new push notification and how he can edit an existing push notification and how he can complete that push notification by sending it to the users. So here you can see the ID, the title, the banners, the content, the URL and the created by the admin. So if you want to choose any kind of action in bulk, so you can select the options and then click on the bulk action. If you want to send notification in bulk, you can click on the send notification, and if you want to click on the delete option, so you can delete all the push notification which are existing and click on apply. If you want to edit the existing push notification, so you can click on the edit option. From here, you can make the changes in the existing push notification and can click on the send push notification. Here you can see the details, the image, the title, the message, the URL of the website of which you want to send a notification to your users. And on this right hand side, you can see the notification preview, like how it will going to look on the customer's end. For example, if you want to add a new notification, so for that you can click on the add new notification like this. And from here you can add the details which are mentioned. In the image section, you have to add the image, and then you have to give a title, then what kind of message you want to share with your users regarding your push notification, and then the URL of the website which the user will going to press and can redirect towards that website. and you can preview how it will reflect on the customer's end. So once you click on the send push notification after all the details which you have entered, the users will going to receive the push notification who have hit on your website and logged in. At that time, the IP address gets saved, and with that IP address, the push notification will going to receive on the customer's end. So like this, the admin can add the push notification and can send it to the users. Now we can log out from the admin section. Now I will show you how the seller can add a new notification and can send it to the customers who are using the seller account, or I can say the seller's website. So for that, I'm going to log in into the seller panel. I'm having the username and password. I'm going to click on login. By scrolling down, you can see the push notification option is there. You have to click on this push notification option. Here you can see the existing notifications are there. Notification preview, send date and action. Like if you want to edit or delete, so you can click on edit or delete. From here you can make changes in the existing push notification and then click on send push notification. And if you want to add a new notification, you can click on the new notification option and can add the title, the image, the message and the URL on which the customer will going to redirect once he click on the push notification, and can click on send push notification. Like on the admin end, the customer can redirect towards the website once clicking on the push notification. The same way, when seller sends a push notification towards the customers who have hit the website can receive the push notification as the IP address will going to save. So like this, the admin and the seller both can add a push notification and can send the push notification to the users as well. This is how you can add push notification to your WordPress WooCommerce marketplace website. If you have any query, suggestion or doubts regarding this module, you can reach us at support@webcool.com or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com. If you found this video informative, do press the like button and share your views on the comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a good day.